Hello guys, welcome back to day 29 of our 30 days React 0 to Hero series. And today we will be discussing about use location hook. Let's get started. So let us say you want to perform some action on our contact page. So in order to do that, we need to grab the location or the path name of that current page. So in our previous example, we did that by using window.location.pathname. But instead of doing that, React Router DOM comes with use location hook. So let us see how to implement that. So let us say I want to highlight the link where I am currently on. If I am on contact, then contact should get highlighted. If I am on about page, then about page should get highlighted. Or if I am on home page, then home should be get highlighted. So to do that, we use location hook. So I will use location from React Router DOM and I'll store it into the location constant. And inside this link tag, I have used this style. It will check if the location dot path name is equal to slash, then we will have font equal to bold, or else it will have normal font. Same for the about page and same for the contact page. So let's see on our front end. So as you can see, currently I'm on about page. That's why our about page got bold. I will navigate to home page now. So home text is getting bold and others are normal. And whenever I'm going to contact page, this contact text is getting bold. So by using this use location hook from React Router DOM, you can grab the path name of your URL. And by using that path name, you can do any logic in your project. So that's it for today's video guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.